On Wednesday, we have the US CPI print. It's coming at a pivotal time. We've seen dollar strength on the recent election of President-elect Donald Trump, and we've seen recent dollar strength over the last few weeks on Fed market repricing. So further upside in the dollar is likely to need a catalyst, and one catalyst could be the US CPI print that we've got coming up. Now, if we look at Seasonax's event feature here, just notice in the 2 days before the US CPI print, the euro dollar has a bias towards gains. Now, what's interesting is on the event, you can see that those bias for gains turns to a bias for losses, with some of the largest losses being over 1% and the largest loss being 1.5%. So that means further dollar strength would likely need a catalyst from a very hot CPI print. Looking at the CPI data, you can see the headline is expected to come at 2.6 above September's reading of 2.4. The core is expected to come in at 3.3 in line with the prior reading. So what's interesting is if this comes in above 3.5%, which is the maximum expectations for the core, and above 2.7%, that could be the catalyst that we see and need for further dollar strength. And that could send the euro pair, dollar pair lower. It's definitely worth being aware of. Now, technically, there are some major support and resistance levels we need to look at. If you just take a look here, you can see there's a big resistance at 109.50, one at 10700, and one at 10650 and 600. So they're the big levels that traders will be referencing. Remember, you can sign up here at Seasonax for literally thousands more seasonal insights just waiting to be revealed. Trade risks, all outlets have risks. This is no exception. And of course, any breaking headlines from Donald Trump's expected policy moves could be a major shift for the dollar this week. So that's a key risk to be aware of.